best day ever because
I know what you mean.
we'll be with him. Whole squad's pulling up.
Oh, this is a video. I smile.
Should we say hi to Natalie? Where's Natalie? Hi, Natalie.
I'm
Excited to run the 3200.
Yeah, big PR.
What place are you getting?
I'm just gonna beat Tilly. Yeah, she's the number one seed.
The goal is to beat Tilly, so she'll win, I guess. Yeah.
Unless she doesn't that.
You're gonna win. If she does that. Hey guys. So we just ran the 32.
Alright. Yeah.
And how'd we do? Natalie, how'd we do in the 32? Good. What'd you run? There's a really good angle. Do you see my vein? Look at my vein, Natalie. What'd you run? Oh my god.
This is the best of the section.
This is so close. Do you want to hold it? So it's like not this close. Perfect.
11, 15.
How many seconds PR is that?
Like 25, yeah. Beat Tilly. Yep.
What place? First place.
Yep.
Nice job, Natalie. What place did you tell me yesterday you were gonna get?
Second? Third?
Yeah, second.
Second.
You know, you just don't have faith in yourself.
Well, yeah.
Disappointed, but it's okay. You know, you did well.
Thank you.
Alright.
Alright.
Bridget, how's your race?
Absolutely horrible. No.
What happened second lap?
I don't want to talk about it.
Bridget fell again. Natalie, say hi.
Hello. That was weird.
Alright, wait. Bridget is a girl who was close to Natalie.
Yeah.
Who's like really good.
Am I me?
Kelly, if you're watching this, you're really good. Yeah, you're you. I'm me.
Alright. So we're running, and then you say...
No, you said it. Wait, what did I say? You said
Oh, alright. I say, the whole race, I just kept hearing like, oh, go Tilly. And I was like, not today.
And I screamed, not Tilly. And then
And we
Tilly
looked over.
And Tilly was right there.
So,
Yeah, a little weird.
that was fun. But
Yeah.
Tilly, if you're watching this, you did really well today.
I did say that you did really well.
Yeah.
A few seconds after you ran by, just to, make up
And
for that.
you like still beat me by like a minute and a half,
Yeah.
so.
Yeah. So, solid time.
Good job, Tilly.
Good job, Tilly.
Lucy is on the line. She's seated number 1, but I don't think there's seats.
I think it's
But
random.
that's okay. She's number
What's
1.
after this? 4 ways?
She will win.
What? What are you saying?
You don't think Lucy's gonna win?
No, I think she's gonna
Lucy,
win.
how does have faith in you?
That's not what I said. I said she's the 1 seed. She can win.
Focus, lady, focus.
You don't know. Anything can happen.
You got this, Lucy.
Yeah.
Come on, Anna, give it everything.
Just gonna do the leg thing of it.
Come on, Anna, it's 50. Let's close the gap a little bit on this left.
Lean into it.
Come on, Lucy! Let's go!
So, how was your meet, Katie? How do you think you did today?
Pretty good.
Yeah. That's very good. By how much?
Like 13 seconds.
What did you get today?
Backpack kid. I wanted to get
you want?
airheads.
Yeah.
And then they didn't have them. So I'm getting healthier.
And what are you doing tomorrow?
Going vegan.
Why?
Why not?
Why?
Why not?
Why?
Why not?
Seriously, why?
Why not?
Why?
Like there is no reason. Why not?
Going?
Yeah.
For how long?
A week. So we're probably gonna vlog it.
We better actually.
What'd you do today?
Why are you here? It's winter track. You don't do winter track.
I raked. How much you got paid?
Good question. I don't really know.
Where's your cash? Can I see the cash? break out that money. Look at my dimple. Just my dimples in it. Break out that cash, please. I want to see it. I don't believe that you got paid.
How many chins can you do?
Should we have a chin competition? I'll pass around the phone and tell everyone.
No, wait. I gotta like swallow my food, but it's full on.
Your food. My food.
Wait.
Okay.
You go first.
No, we have to go at the same time.
Ready, set, go. Okay, go ahead.
Should we pass it to Natalie? Natalie, we have to. How many chins can you make? How many chins? Do it. Bridget, how many chins? How many chins?
How many chins?
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, you will.
I don't know.
I'm better at this.
Zoe, how many chins? Who else?
Actually, do
Who's behind us?
Olivia?
Is Olivia there?
Yeah.
Have Olivia do it.
Olivia.
Have Shannon do it.
Shannon, how many chins can you do?
I think just 2.
Okay. She did.
No, I'm so much better than Natalie.
Wait,
Natalie, look, I'm so much better than you.
wait, guys, who's it?
Pretty good.
I'm better.
No, let me
Do
see.
it. Okay,
No, I win that.
Wait, ready? Natalie, do it.
No, I gotta get closer to. Yeah.
No, I'm winning.
No way.
I'm
Mine are
winning.
deeper.
I'm winning that.
No.
Look at that. I have so many.
Count. Natalie, can you count for us?
Count?
Yeah, can you count for us?
Try it one.
Ready?
1, 2. Oh, you're wrinkles.
Yeah.
What are you counting? What are you counting?
Numbers. Okay, got it. Well, that's like half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll call it.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No.
Yeah, more
How
wrinkles.
many does Natalie have? Natalie, you only have like 4.
What?
1, 2, 3.
4.
Where's Lucy? Lucy can't even get like 1.
Goodbye, vlog.